Svoj osvajalski pohod po svetovnih kinodvoranah so pred nekaj dnevi pričeli Pirati iz Karibov, v tem tednu pa so prispeli tudi v Slovenijo. Mi smo se nahajali tako na svetovni kot tudi na mariborski premieri. Svetovna premiera filma je potekala tam, kjer je ideja za film nastala, v Disneylandu. Premiere pa so se lahko udeležili zgolj redki srečneži, ki so za vstopnice odšteli tudi vrtoglave zneske. Pogovor z zvezdniki je opravil Žabec Kermit, en izmed najbolj znanih Muppetkov.
Or maybe I should say, yo ho ho! I am Kermit the Frog, and I am here at the Pirates of the Caribbean on Stranger Tide premiere. Yes, folks, I am here at Disneyland, where they are having the most amazing black carpet event I have ever seen. In fact, I believe it's the only black carpet event I've ever seen. There are stars everywhere. People like Johnny Depp, Penelope Cruz, Jeffrey Rush, and with any luck, folks, we'll be meeting them all as they arrive here on the black carpet tonight. So, buckle your swashbuckler and shiver your timbers. I have a feeling we're in for a very strange voyage tonight.
Let me ask you a question.
You may ask me a question.
Would you do a film with us?
You bet I would.
You would?
Are you kidding?
Do you want to be part of the Peas?
Of course I do.
And we could have Miss Piggy act like Fergie.
Maybe we don't want to do that.
You don't think so?
I think, she kind of hogs the spotlight.
Can she shake her lady lumps?
Well, yes, but that's probably why we don't want her to do it.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. You may be one of the few people who knows me by my Spanish name.
Grana Gustavo.
Yeah, it's Gustavo. That's right.
I heard you have a movie coming out.
I do. Thank you for mentioning it, because I got a plug. That's wonderful.
That's a talking frog. That's a talking frog. That is a talking frog.
I'm the only talking frog in show business, my friend.
How do you do, man?
It's wonderful to meet you. Yes, thank you. Can I ask you a serious question, sir?
Yeah, I'm waiting for it.
Yes, okay. I have a surprise for you. Ben, keep talking. I'm going to be back in 2 seconds. Okay, I'll be right back.
Kermit is a big fan, like a lot of the people here.
Okay, I'm back.
Wow.
What do you think?
You look better than I did.
No, not at all. But I just had to do this because I know a lot of people dress in pirate garb.
Well, you got it really down, man.
Thank you. I got to get the swagger. You know?
Yeah. It requires rum.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I like that even better. I might pickle myself. Bye, John.
See you, man. Bye, Kermit.
What a guy. Arr. Don't touch the dreads. No, I don't know. I don't think I'm good at it. Whatever.
All right, we're good.
Is it time flies when you're having fun?
Yes,
or
and
time's fun when you're having
flies. That's where my motto.
I know it's your motto, and
Yeah.
I live by that.
It's a frog motto plus guys who ride motorcycles.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Well, that would be me.
Oh, well, there you go.
Well, yes, because I have a fat boy.
You do?
I wouldn't mind of having had you on my shoulder all the way through this film.
Oh, my goodness. I could have been like a parrot or a monkey.
A monkey.
I think we actually tried to interview the monkey earlier. She had great things to say about you, but not a good talker, really.
I didn't know the monkey was coming tonight. I just think that's just a tiny little bit egocentric and a bit pushy.
Those monkeys, they're very self-centered. Oh my goodness. Keith Richards. How are you, sir? Oh, no. I think he's remembering that night we had in London. Oh, dear. Nice to see you, my friend.
Oh, I love the Muppets. Where's Miss Piggy?
Oh, well, she's not here tonight, but I know you had a run-in with her on the show.
Much sexier than her.
Well, yeah, I almost have to agree. I've actually thought it might be fun to try, maybe a little dancing of my own.
Oh, come on. Let me show it to me. Oh, dear. You're a bit stiff, aren't you, man?
A little more fluid?
Yeah. Use your arms, man. Imagine you're swimming. Imagine you're swimming.
Oh.
That's better. You say, oh, there you go.
That. Oh, that's wonderful. If you don't mind me asking kind of a personal question, you guys could cut the cameras for this. Are you here by yourself?
I am.
You're kidding.
I'm here with my sister.
Well, no, that's different. I don't mean that.
What about a kiss on the cheek?
Can we seal the deal with a kiss? Okay.
My dream has come true.
Could I get a little reciprocal, just a little peck?
Something's going on.
Ouch!
Thank you, man.
Wow, we shared saliva. That was disgusting.
I got lip gloss on you.
I don't care. You guys got that on camera? Listen, Piggy, if you're watching this, that meant nothing. It was purely just for show. It's a premiere. Everybody's in kind of excitable frame of mind, and oh boy, am I going to be in trouble. Hey, listen, folks, I have had a wonderful evening here at the Pirates of the Caribbean premiere. You know, some old friends, some new friends, some very nice kisses. And not only that, I got a meeting with Jerry Bruckheimer. You can't beat that. What more could a frog want? Ooh. And it certainly got me in the mood for the premiere of our brand new movie, The Muppets. And that'll be out at Thanksgiving. So I hope you all had a good time. I certainly enjoyed being your correspondent from the black carpet. And, well, I guess I'm off to see the movie. You can go home now.